Hey everyone, Paul Man here, and welcome back. Today I am in Danville, California, and I'm here to check out the Blackhawk Museum. They have several different collections here, so let's go see what we can discover inside. Come along. Check out this giant brass. I don't know if the whole elephant's brass, but the tucks certainly look like they are. That's pretty crazy. It's like a full-size elephant in the courtyard here. That's pretty awesome. And then over here they have some more animals. Looks like a giraffe, 3 giraffes, some gazelles here, and a cheetah. Very cool. I love the detail of these giraffes. Got nice little eyebrows on them even. And the cheetah over here, they got him in full stride. Pretty cool. Fastest animal on earth. I think these are clocked at almost 60 miles an hour. I think it's like 58.9. And they got gazelles here. Those are pretty awesome also. And the giant tree above us. Look at this rhino. Baby elephant. And they got real tusks on them too. And the pheasants down there. They got all these beautiful African birds here. And the trees. All taxidermied out. Love the colors there. What an amazing job these guys have done. The birds all lit individually too. Check out this parrot. This guy down here with the blue feathers. The world of nature. See what this is about. Got sharks. Look at the tooth on that guy. Massive megalodon shark tooth. Fossil in here. Hammerhead shark up there. It's like a great white. Look at all the sharks represented in this room. That's the great white there. Wow, once again, this museum is blowing my mind. Look at the great white and the giant squid. The grouper. Dolphin. And here we got some salmon and more salmon and trout, steelhead trout, catfish. That great white shark's awesome. We're going down into the land of the mammals. Land of Africa. Look at the giraffe. And the zebra and the elephant. Wow. Wow. This museum is mind-blowing, I'm telling you. Quality of every display is just top-notch. Look at this stuff. Look at this taxidermy. There's art there. Really, really amazing stuff. Zebras here. There's a lion over there. Leopard. The way everything is put together is really great. Look at that hippo. And they got blue lighting with the ball here. The giraffe is drinking. Wow. This is some crazy stuff here too. The water buffalo. And the monkey up in the tree. And they even got a termite hill here. And the birds. It's crazy. And this rhino is actually moving over here. This guy. His feet even moved. He's watching me. Oh, he comes. Oh, let's see. He like resets. I'm gonna see him charge. I think he's gonna charge. That's pretty awesome. Here he comes. Another rhino. Still waiting for that charging rhino though. And all the baboons and monkeys up there. And look at this scene here. There's tigers and lions. Lions. And the wildebeest. This is crazy. He's not too happy because he's about to be dinner for the lion. This is some crazy displays, I'm telling you. Look at the crocs in the water. Unbelievable. The crocs. Right over here we got the lion's den. Guys chilling up here. And the little cubs playing. You know, when you're standing like next to these things, you realize if you would have no chance getting away from one of those. No chance. There's a badger. Look at the claws on that thing. Anteater. hyena and an ostrich. Hyena's eyeing those eggs. Look at this croc just sitting here. That's a big boy. I love how they have birds up in the tree too. They're depicting an African hut here where a family might live. It's painting. Every part of this display is impressive. You even got the elevator painted. Oh, a panda. A peacock. And of course there's more birds up in the tree above me. And a tiger. There's the tiger I was looking for. And fish in the water. These are mind-blowing displays here. Alright, we moved out of Africa and we're into North America, it looks like. Fox and bears. Beaver. And a big moose. Big moose. A black bear. And a wolf. And cubs. Fox. Great details. They even got a lizard display here. That's crazy. Mexican beaded lizard, chameleons, monitor lizard. Aardvark. This is the largest rodent. Leopard. This guy hanging from the tree. More parrots above me. Looks like we're in Australia now. Marsupials and kangaroos and a wallaby, I think they call those. Camels. That's a big camel. And then we got a warthog here. Rattlesnake. Wolf. Is that a snake after that? Look at that dead soul. Got a duck. I don't see a lot of insects, but they're probably here. Fox up there. There's a little bear and a squirrel. Look at the black bear. It's cute. And turkeys. There's a lot of turkeys where I live. Look at this wolf. You might want to stay away from the skunks. playing with a butterfly, a bobcat. And a possum up there in the tree. And now we're getting to the grizzly bear. Grizzly bear. Check out this display. Amazing, huh? That is an awesome display there. This fox is chilling in the tree here. Black squirrel up there. And a quail. And every type of ram you've ever met under the sun. It's in this display. And another wolf. And a little bunny. Hoping the wolf doesn't see it. And he looks kind of mad. Ready to pounce. They're hunting this moose or elk. These three wolves are hunting it down. And look at this one in between here. I love how they got the expressions on the animals of terror. Look at this guy. He's like, oh damn, I got problems. And then a polar bear. And we jump from polar bear to the water again with the killer whale or the orca. Remember the movie, The Orca? You know, since Jaws is so popular, they had to make a movie about a killer whale going rampant. What a scene that is, huh? And right behind me, more lions. Tiger. White tiger. And a white leopard, which I didn't know was a thing. A white lion. And look at these ones up in the trees. With their teeth blaring. They're all hanging out in the trees above us. And this guy's bad. And he's trying to catch a mosquito. You see the anaconda up there in the tree? You'd be walking along in the forest and there'd be one of those above you. That would be terrifying. Gorilla. Pretty cool. Look up. This museum's got a lot of stuff that you look up to. A bit more realistic for you. Some more artwork here, African artwork. I'm gonna do one more attempt to get this rhino to charge me. Come on, buddy. Charge me, charge me. It's not doing it. The sensors in that rock there. But I think it's just random. But anyway, you get the idea. It comes running in to the end of the log here. Land of dinosaurs. Crocodiles. Crocodile skulls. We got an animated T-Rex skull there. Every snake under the sun. All the good old poisonous snakes up in the trees there.
Is that what it was like in dinosaur history, Mom? Is that hot lava coming down? Yeah, it's like hot lava.
Snakes look pretty
Where's
good.
that big guy in the sky go?
Not too friendly. There's a little guy that you don't want to run into in the Amazon jungle. Nope. I say nope to that. I say nope to that. I say definitely not to that one. Definitely not to that one. Mastodon tooth. Saber-toothed tiger. Skull. That thing's crazy, huh?
That's a big snake.
You know, when you come around a corner, this is a hidden area by the bathrooms. It's full of awesome butterflies. Check out these butterflies. Look at that one. There's more over here. These are beetles. Stick bug. Check that one out. That one's awesome. Very cool. And then more butterflies. Yellow ones. That one's really nice. And we got this blue ones, a beautiful blue and purple ones. And then we got the white and black ones here. And over here, brown. Look at that one. Wow, look at that one. That one's cool. These are probably more moths, but still. That one. Everything about this museum is impressive. Green. That one's really cool. That one. And that one. Look at that blue. Look at this green one. Wow, that one. Jeez, some of these butterflies are amazing. There's some more bugs. These are big bugs. Look at that thing. More butterflies over here. Even the butterfly display is extremely impressive. Even the elevator inside is painted. Pretty cool. Hey guys, what did you think of that? That was totally mind-blowing. The Blackhawk Museum, probably had the greatest displays I've ever seen in my life on display. It was just amazing. From just the detail and the lighting and the artifacts they picked were stunning. If you enjoyed this video, I shot other videos of different exhibits in the museum. So check those out also on my channel. And you know what to do. I appreciate your support, and I will see you on my next video. All right, peace.